Alright, once you get into MIT App Inventor, first thing you do is start a new project. Project name be calculator. You can see on my screen here I've done a few of these. Once you get that started, it should open you up to a blank screen here. Once you go here, do a calculator, you want to have a couple different places to put numbers in. So we just want to have some text boxes. I'm going to do this very quickly because I got a lot of information to cover very quickly. So we've got two text boxes, and I'm going to add a third one. So these text boxes really don't matter what goes in here, but what I do want you to figure out is that we're going to enter a number in here, enter a number in here, and then a result is going to pop up here. So on this one, I'm actually going to take a little bit of time, and I'm going to go put in, call this the result. So that way, when I go through and code these, it's a little bit easier. Over on the right here, you'll notice each one of the text boxes has its own set of properties. I'm going to change these and make this yellow. I'm going to do the same thing for the second one too, just so they stand out a little bit better when we actually run these in emulation. And then we're going to go with the gross mod green. All right, so the result shows up. For text box 1, we do want to make sure that it's numbers only, so make sure and check that box there for that. Same thing for text box 2, because we only want numbers in there. That way when somebody goes to run the application, it doesn't error out. And if you can guess, sure enough, yeah, we're going to do that for the third one too. So here's our basic layout. We do need a way to tell it to do something. So in this case, I'm going to grab a button and drag it over here, and where it says text for button 1, if I scroll down here, I'll see that. And we're just going to use this to add. And when you do yours, you're going to do something different with yours, but you're just, right now, this is mine, so this is just a basic add. So this is the first part of going through and laying this out. So, the add button, it doesn't want to move around, and that's just kind of right now where we're at on the screens, and that's totally okay. So don't worry so much about that as much as you worry about getting the information in. So this is the first part getting started, and we're in the designer area, and we're going to switch over to the blocks in the next video.